I just can't let you go. Lord knows that I've tried to. You said I was the only one. No one likes being lied to. You made this mess and left me with the pieces. Now I wanna burn all the bridges between us.
Hey guys, welcome back, or welcome if you're new to my channel. I'm doing a giveaway on my Instagram. If you want to go check that out, look on my description below. Anyways, let's get started. First off, I'm doing my concealer and blending that out with my beauty blender, of course. And then I'm going in with my loose powder and my Sephora number 99 brush to set that concealer. Then I'm going to use these eyeshadow shields. It's going to help us do that smoked cat eye way more precise. And I got these at Forever 21. They were only like $3, I think. Super affordable. You gotta make sure they're lined up equally on both sides. And I'm going to go in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. And I'm going to go in with the orange soda eyeshadow first and this blending brush. And I'm going to blend that all on my crease and on angled to where my cat eye is going to be. This is going to make it, help it be more smoked out. So you blend that all out in the crease and angled, and then I'm going to go in with this color and an all over lid brush. This is by Morphe, and I'm going to place that eyeshadow all over my lid, angled, trying not to go over that brown shade, that orange soda we just put down. This is going to bring lightness to our eyes. Apply it like so. Then I'm going to go in with this little tiny precision blending brush, and I'm going to grab these two, burnt orange and sienna, and I'm going to start doing my smoked out cat wing right like that in an angled. You just got to blend. This is all about blending, blending, blending. So I'm going to blend that all the way out and then all the way in, sort of. It doesn't have to be as tight because we're going to be layering darker and darker colors right underneath this shade. Ugh. My face is going through some things, as you guys can see. And then I'm going to go in with this pencil brush, and I'm going to get Cypress Umber, and I'm going to put it like right under that other colors we just put down. It's gonna make it look darker, so we're gonna go darker and darker and darker. Like, that's gonna create that smoky effect. But it's a lot of blending, but it's easy. Once you get the hang of it, it's easy. This is a tiny pencil brush. And then I'm gonna go in with this blending brush. I'm just gonna blend that a little bit. There's nothing on the brush, I'm just blending it. I don't want it to look super harsh. Then back in with that pencil brush we were using earlier. Blending, blending, blending. And then I'm gonna go in with this flat liner definer brush, and I'm gonna start applying the black color in our palette, which is, let me check, Noir. And I'm going to put it super tight to my lash line. Super tight. And I'm gonna go in with this little tiny eyeliner brush and eyeliner. And I'm gonna put the eyeliner first, very tightly on my lash line, from outer to inner corner, all the way up to my cat wing. And then I'm gonna use that little brush to like smudge it out for like more detail. Gotta be very patient with this look because it's a lot of blending. Then I went back in with that little tiny blending brush and added more of the other shades that I had to use, the orange soda and it was sienna. Blending it out using the other blending brush I was using earlier to blend that out again. So you add color, you blend it, you add color, you blend it, you add color, you blend it. That's basically all this is. Adding, blending, intensifying the color. Because once you blend, it starts to fade a little bit, so you just gotta intensify it again. See, like I am there. I'm putting some more black so it looks darker. And then you can peel off those eyeshadow shields. I would recommend to put the eyeshadow shields on the back of your hand a couple times, the sticky part, and then placing it where you want to place them because they were really sticky and they pulled on my skin and that causes wrinkles and no one wants wrinkles. Okay, so now we're gonna curl our curl our lashes and apply mascara. Gonna go back in with a little bit more black eyeliner, as you can see. Doing the other eye now. Yes, I did see that I got mascara on my other eyeball. Thanks, Stephanie. Ugh, can't get over how my face looks. It's so textured. I don't know if it's the weather or maybe my bitch ass needs to clean my brushes. Applying my eyelashes. These are velour lashes. I forgot the name of them, but they're velour lashes. I like never struggle to put my lashes on, but like my eyes get so watery that they start to like fall off. It's very annoying. And I'm going to use a pencil brush to get a little bit more pigment out of the foundation because I have a lot of texture going on. Then I'm going to go in with that beauty blender and blend all the excess off. We don't want to look cakey, even though it's going to look cakey because of my texture. Then I'm going to go in with my concealer and conceal. Blend it out with my beauty blender. Add the powder, the loose powder over it so it doesn't move or crease. Look how sharp that cat eye is. Nice. And then I'm going to go in with this Cover FX contour palette. I'm going to grab the contour shade in it with this bronzer blush, or it might be a blush brush, but I mean, it's makeup, you can break the rules. And add that contour brush to my face because I gained weight and I want to look skinnier somehow. Just blend it, blend it, blend it. Then I'm going to go in with this Laura Geller blush and this blush brush. Apply that. Then my highlighter, I'm gonna highlight with this MAC highlighter. I'm gonna grab this shade, but then I was like, no, I'm gonna get all three, so I got all three. And I highlighted my cheekbones. My nose, my chin, above my brows. Now I'm gonna go in with the rustic in that pencil brush, and I'm gonna put it under my waterline. Same to the other side, obviously. We can't just do one side.
You said I was the only one. No one likes being lied to.
Then I'm gonna add some black with the flat liner brush. Super tight into that waterline. You can blend this out more, like you can grab like the pencil brush and blend it a lot more than I did. I just didn't want too much smokiness at the bottom since I have a lot at the top. But you can totally smoke it more. And then I've added some eyeliner to my waterline, and I did it on my upper waterline too. And I added bottom mascara. I went in with my beauty blender to pick up all that excess, and then I did my hair really quick because it was ratchet. I had just gotten out of the shower. And I applied this a wifey Huda Beauty liquid lipstick because it's pretty nude. You don't want something dramatic with this dramatic eye. And I applied a Morphe setting spray. And then, yeah, don't forget to go to my Instagram for the giveaway so you can win. It ends October 31st. Bye-bye. Thanks for watching.
Lord knows that I've tried to. You said I was the only one. No one likes being lied to. You made this mess and left me with the pieces. Now I wanna burn all the bridges between us.